Jaffa, old Jaffa, on top of literally 4,000 years of history. The city, the ancient city is under you, is all around you, yeah? That's a brand new city that we built. It started off in the 19th century as we started building beyond the walls, like we did all over the land, building new neighborhoods, all those little red rooftops you see down there beneath the skyscrapers. 1880, 1890, 1990, they buy land, they're going to build more. Wait, let's stop building new neighborhoods of Jaffa, let's build a new city. The first Hebrew city in the land of Israel in 1900 years. And that's how Tel Aviv was born. Today, Tel Aviv, Jaffa is one municipality. Right? One municipality. The second largest city in Israel. It's not very big. 400,000 people call Tel Aviv home. Well, more people call it home, but 400,000 people live in Tel Aviv. 29 square miles. Sorry, I don't know what that is in kilometers. I don't know. But it's like half the size of Jerusalem in area and in population. Flat, right here on the coast. It's the financial capital of Israel, the fashion capital of Israel, the high-tech capital of Israel, the secular capital of Israel, if you will. What's that?
And also
Second what? Second high-tech capital, of course. We're not called Startup Nation for nothing. New York. Yeah, I think New York or
Silicon Valley.
Silicon Valley, California. Okay. Silicon Valley, that's what you mean. Okay, good. Crazy, okay? There it is. So we're on top of 4,000 years of history, only part of which has been excavated, but we've lived here for continuously all these thousands of years. And this for thousands of years, people like yourself, who came to the land of Israel for a visit, for pilgrimage, this is where they landed, at Jaffa Port, right? Jaffa Port. So many stories happened in Jaffa, some of which you may have heard of. Remember Jonah and the whale? Jonah fled, God told him, go tell the people, and no, and he runs away to hide, didn't want to give it. Thrown into the sea and the whale swallowed, maybe not, but that was from here, from Jaffa Port. So much happened right here. The Crusaders landed in Jaffa. This is where people arrived. So much so that the road to Jerusalem began in Jaffa. Tomorrow and next week when we're in Jerusalem, right, I will show you the end of the road at a gate in the old city of Jerusalem called Jaffa Gate, because it's the gate that faces west to Jaffa. What do you expect to find all the way at the beginning of Jaffa Gate, the road here in Jaffa? What's the name of the gate? Jerusalem Gate, indeed. This was where the journey to Jerusalem for thousands of years, for hundreds, if not millions of people started here in Jaffa. Even now, you land in Tel Aviv Airport, but it's Tel Aviv Jaffa Port. It's really the same. It's moved over a little bit, which is kind of cool. So what we're going to do now, we're going to walk a little bit through the streets and the alleyways of the old city. So,